Hi folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al, having morning coffee with you folks. Going to keep this short, around 5 minutes. Now, me and my friends are arguing right now. We're arguing about this major storm that's brewing overhead, and I have too many things moved around. Okay, these cardboard will be filled. Okay, first I have to worry about the Texas Winter Storm Part 2, Snow Apocalypse 2.0, winter of 21 to 22. Now, these months, you have to be careful because if the freight train hits, it's not going to be a couple of days, it's going to be 3 to 4 weeks. All right? Look at the UK, England, when the freight train hit them in January. They got buried really hard. This freight train will go south as far as Mexico City and far north upwards to Quebec. All right? Are you ready? Now, this is Texas fail number one. No external heat source because most of Texas are full of millennials and yuppies and people who fled California or New York. So they had no idea of external heat source. Okay? You should have a wood stove or wood fireplace. Gas fireplaces are iffy if they're put up wrong. I keep telling everybody. Two, if you're going to do external heat source, be sure you have a carbon monoxide detector throughout your living quarters. Okay? It's a lot of responsibility, but a lot of millennials and a lot of transplants into Texas have no idea what's going on. Okay? This one is going to cost $1 trillion worth of debt. Okay? And the Democrats will throw money while you're freezing to death in 3 weeks. So I tell a lot of people, some people already listen because I already checked eBay and Amazon. Half of the kerosene heaters have been bought out. So somebody's listening to old Uncle Al. Buy a kerosene heater. Okay? I prefer Sun, which is a Japanese brand, but Sun sold off to another division, but they might be thinking about making a U.S. division of kerosene heaters. Japan, Korea, China, they're all used to using kerosene heaters. Hong Kong, again, kerosene heaters. And people who are clumsy and stupid and not careful with these heaters either carbon monoxide poisoning, set their damn place on fire, which is a common occurrence in Japan in the old quarters of Tokyo in the high rise apartments, because until the 70s, they did not have central air or the Mitsubishi electric heater units. They had kerosene heaters. Okay? Now, a lot of people don't understand why they do it because Japanese are stubborn and also kind of stupid. But it was very popular. It's easy to use. Crack a window open, use the kerosene heaters. Now, I'm used to using kerosene heaters out in the dairy. Now, I have to take it easy and try to keep this under 5 minutes because yesterday was too hot. I kind of passed out and had a 2 hour nosebleed at the church, and that's why Uncle Alan was a little crazy. So I have to be very, very careful. So I'm taking the day off. I'm going to make these light, short videos to tell you. So you should have, to prevent Texas fail number one, get external heat source. Either propane, kerosene that is separate from your housing thing. And make sure you have a carbon monoxide detector. Okay? Common sense, easy to do, doesn't cost your arm and leg. You cannot wait until the last minute and like Chad or Karen complain and try to order it on Amazon. They will be totally out and you're screwed. So anyway, you have a nice day. I hope you watch this. check out the other videos. Later.